finding the confidence level, and then doing the same repetition every day to day basis. So you will got a lot of things which can help you, basically give you the confidence that you can basically achieve that. And so yeah, this is all basically we can achieve. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and for that I have chosen a topic for speaking in this video, which is about how we can basically build a routine for English learning. So these are the basically topic which I'm going to discuss in this video. I hope you are also want to learn English language, so you are also an English learner, so you can watch this video till the end. You will find out a lot of things which you can implement in yourself, and by that you can basically gain some sort of knowledge. So let's jump into this video. So first of all, like if we are building some sort of routine, first of all we need to know like why we are doing this. So this is most important because that matter a lot. If you are having a like if you want to be a consistent in something, so you need to know basically why you are doing this. So for me basically this is for professional growth, or some other people that is for building clients in international level, and for others like getting to know basically there are people who want to go abroad and how they will communicate with others. So there is multiple reason for liking learning English language. So for that if you know like why it is means a lot, so you never like got down whenever you face like you have a less confidence and you are getting demotivated at that moment. Just see what why you have like started these things basically. So apart from this, if you know like why you are doing this, and then you need to basically start like how you are going to start. Basically you need to find out in your day basically where you get a free time. Just utilize that time to read a lot basically. So after reading the books and listening basically listening to YouTubers or some English songs as well, that is most basically helpful for everyone who are English learners. So listening and reading is most important. Then if we are coming to basically speaking part, so there we need to like record ourselves in the starting of our day and just listen that in next day basically. Just try to focus that you are finding the confidence level, and then doing the same repetition every day to day basis. So you will got a lot of things which can help you, basically give you the confidence that you can basically achieve that. And so yeah, this is all basically we can achieve. Just it's matter of belief system. So if once you basically set to your mind that I have conceived that, so it's just matter of time you will going to achieve that. So these are the things basically. First you need to prioritize that this means a lot, and I need to give some sort of times to this thing as well. So because it's happened to everyone, such as like if I talk about me, I found it like 5 to 10 minutes to give at least in a day basically, because there are multiple tasks we do, and that doesn't matter a lot if we do these things like giving 5 to 10 minutes to English language. So you know like you can communicate whole over the globe basically, and you can get a professional growth as well if you are fluently speaking in English language. So that is way more matter to you a lot. So initially days you need to just starting from the scratch, just start slowly. Then if you know better, you can basically automatically do the things which is most important for you as for you, right? So I think on this video that is it. I try to basically upload videos, more thoughtful videos, like more helpful videos in upcoming days. And previously, because I'm starting and I just don't know like what I'm going to do, basically I just choose out the cue card, which is very important for a person who is started and who want to like do the toughest thing. So for that I just started, and along with that representing myself in YouTube. So these are the things are toughest. So if you want to do it, you can do it. Basically, just need to believe in yourself only. So on this video, on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.